Hello students, my name is Masibulele Mqolo. Let me welcome you to One Coach Academic Partners. If you have any questions that you would like us to discuss, have any questions that you've come across that are giving you problems in financial accounting, in financial management, or in management accounting, just feel free to contact me on the contacts. You can send me a WhatsApp to this number, and you can also send me an email. Today we will be calculating net present value using a financial calculator. We are going to use the cash flow method when we are calculating using our financial calculator. Let us jump to our question without wasting the time. Our question today is: the directors of Highway Food and Beverages intend to expand the company and purchase a bread making machine at a cost of 5,100,000 with 1,500,000 cash inflows per year. This machine has a 5-year life. The cost of capital may be assumed to be 14%. So here all the information is given. We are given the investment, which is 5,100,000. We are given the cash inflows, 1,500,000. And then we are given the cost of investment, which is 14%. So our cash flow 1 will be 5,100,000, and then our cash flow 2 will be 1,500,000. Then we know how we're going to calculate it. So using a cash flow method, let me write here. So I have my Sharp calculator. We are going to use a Sharp calculator. I've never used other calculators to calculate financial management. I've been using Sharp financial calculator. So here you need to communicate first. This is a machine. Your calculator is a machine. You need to communicate with it. You need to tell it what to do. So here we are going to have cash flow 0. Everything in financial management, we assume when the things occur, we are at year 0, and then later will be year 1. We are not at year 1, so this one will be year 0. So we incurred 5,100,000. This 5 million we incurred, which is the money that is coming out, so it need to be shown in bracket. Is the money that is coming out. On your calculator, on your financial calculator, you go straight before you make any calculations, because this calculator keeps the memory of the questions you have calculated before. So if you just calculate, it will take where you have left on your previous question that you have calculated. So I advise you, whenever you're going to start to calculate each and every question, make sure that you clear the memory. Every time you're going to calculate a new question, clear the memory, or else if it's going to be a continuation, then that's where you can continue. But if it's not going to be a continuation, just clear your memory. So when you're clearing the memory, you go to second function, alpha, you press 0 twice. Second function, press alpha, press your 0 twice, then your memory is cleared. And then you go to the 5,100,000 for cash flow 1, 5,100,000. This one is a negative. You need to show it is a negative because it's the money that is coming out. There is a plus or minus next to your 0 there, and then you press there, and then the minus sign is shown, and then you press enter. It shows you on the screen that the data set cash flow 0 on your screen. And then you go to cash flow 1. Your cash flow one, there are two ways you can do it. You can have cash flow 2, cash flow 3, cash flow 4, and cash flow 5. And then you put the 1,500,000, 1,500,000, 1,500,000. But to cut the thing short, because on the paper, the time is money. Time is money. You need to utilize the time as you can. So here, you're going to use the shortest way. The shortest way is to tell the computer that this 1,500,000, which is a cash flow, is not just for 1 year, it's for 5 years. So you're going to press 1,500,000. Next, just next to your enter is there on top of delete. Next to enter, there is an XY button there. You press that XY button. You are telling your computer that this 1 million is not for just for 1 year. So the computer asks you how many years. So you say it's for 5 years, and then you press enter again. Once it gives you dataset cash flow number 1, and then you have done putting your investment and your cash inflow. You want to put the percentage now. You go to second function. There is a CFI just next to cost on top of enter. You press CFI. It says the rate. The rate you say is 14%. And then you press enter. If you don't press enter, it's not going to give you the right answer. You press enter, then it's entered. And then you drop down. You drop down your button. And then it says net present value. And then once it says net present value, you press compute. And then it gives you the 49621. That's the answer. The net present value, you will write it there, your 1,500,000. Then your net present value, is equal to 49,622. We are going to round off to the nearest rands. We are done for this question. And then on our next sessions, we will be using other methods, including the formula, and then the future value tables. So just stay tuned. We are going to use even other methods of calculating the evaluating capital budgeting. This one is called capital budgeting. So thank you for viewing our videos. Just subscribe to our channel, like and share. Please refer to your friends and family. Thank you. Goodbye.